To access your T-Mobile call log, first download and open the T-Mobile app from your app store. Next, log in using your T-Mobile ID or phone number. Navigate to the Usage tab at the bottom on Android or Account tab at the top on iOS. Select Calls or Call History to see a list of your recent calls sorted by date. The call log includes exact timestamps, call durations, caller ID, call type, and location if roaming. Call logs are retained for up to 18 months, and older logs require a support request. The T-Mobile app allows you to filter your call history by date range, contact name, or call type using the built-in filters. Use the search bar to find specific entries by phone number or other keywords. To download your call log, tap Export or Download from the call history screen. You can choose to download the data as a CSV file for spreadsheets or as a PDF for a formatted report. These files include call details, dates, and durations, are encrypted for security, and can be emailed or saved locally. Enhanced features as of 2025 include AI-powered insights, privacy enhancements for controlling log visibility, and cross-device syncing of call logs.